Hi, I'm Mario Correa, Wills and Trust Attorney. Recently we were dealing with a situation with a client who had a transfer on death instrument that was recorded after the owner's death. Let me break that down for you. The owner is an owner of real estate. A transfer on death instrument, TODI for short, is a specific type of deed where you name a beneficiary on top of your real estate. So it's a deed, but if you read it, all it says is, I designate at my death the following person receive it. Well, what happened is we looked up the statute because it was recorded after death, and the statute, or the transfer on death statute, says clearly that you must be recorded before the owner's death. They had seen another attorney about it, and they were getting a second opinion. And the second opinion was this, is we try to be creative when we're looking at an instrument like this. And I thought to myself, well, possibly this looks like it has will formalities that have been followed, meaning that there was two witnesses who saw the person sign it, they had signed it, it was notarized, so there was a lot of will formality followed because actually the transfer on death instrument statute says to follow will formalities. And I thought, well, maybe even though it's not a will per se, or it doesn't say will, it says deed or TODI on the top, maybe we can probate this and pursue it. And I started to do some research, and about an hour in, I found something very interesting. I found a Supreme Court case back from 1931 that expressly says that if you have a form letter, power of attorney, deed, or any other instrument in writing that follows will formality, you can probate that document like a will. So here in this case is where they initially thought that the transfer on death instrument was ineffective and wouldn't give the family member the asset. Now we can see that we can go through probate and have that treated like a will and get them the house that the owner wanted them to receive before they passed. So if you ever need creative, out-of-the-box thinking, or you have legal questions surrounding wills and trusts, please feel free to give us a call at 773-489-8500.